My dear people, I am your Ram Veda. We all love exploring beautiful places, and it is always a pleasure to visit them. Welcome to Lake Como, Italy, a destination where breathtaking natural beauty meets rich history and timeless elegance. In the next, we'll uncover the secrets of this magical place, from its fascinating past to its luxurious present, and explore the surrounding wonders that make Lake Como an unforgettable experience. Nestled in the Lombardy region of northern Italy, Lake Como, or Lago di Como, has been a beloved retreat since the Roman era. Its name derives from the Latin larius, and even the Roman philosopher Pliny the Younger had villas here, writing about its serene charm. Over the centuries, it's drawn aristocrats, artists, and writers like Virgil, Stendhal, and Mark Twain, all captivated by its beauty. Lake Como is shaped like an inverted Y, with three distinct branches. To the southwest lies the vibrant city of Como, in the southeast, Lecco, and at the junction of these branches, you'll find Bellagio, known as the Pearl of Lake Como. Each of these towns has its own unique charm and story. Let's start in Como, the lake's namesake city. This bustling town is renowned for its historic architecture, like the stunning Gothic Renaissance Como Cathedral or Duomo di Como. Completed in 1740, it's a masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship. Nearby, the Broletto, a medieval town hall, offers a glimpse into Como's civic pride. And did you know that Como is also known as the silk capital of Italy? The Silk Museum chronicles the city's centuries-old textile industry, which remains a symbol of elegance and craftsmanship. Now, let's hop over to Bellagio, often considered the crown jewel of Lake Como. Perched at the meeting point of the lake's branches, Bellagio offers picture-perfect views at every turn. Wander through its narrow alleys, and you'll find charming boutiques and cafes serving authentic Italian cuisine. One highlight here is Villa Melgi's Gardens, a tranquil heaven filled with exotic plants, sculptures, and even an authentic Venetian gondola. It's a place to lose yourself in nature's beauty. Across the water from Bellagio is Varenna, a romantic and quieter alternative. Its pastel-colored buildings seem to rise straight from the lake. Don't miss the Castello di Vezio, a medieval castle with panoramic views and falconry displays. And for nature lovers, the Sentiero del Viandante, a scenic hiking trail, starts here. Lake Como is synonymous with luxury. From the opulent Grand Hotel Tremezo to celebrity villas like George Clooney's Villa Oleandra, it's no surprise this destination has become a playground for the rich and famous. A boat tour is the best way to experience the lake's grandeur. Glide past magnificent villas like Villa del Balbianello, known for its appearance in movies like Star Wars and James Bond's Casino Royale. But Lake Como isn't just about luxury. It's also a gateway to nature. The surrounding mountains offer incredible hiking opportunities, like the trek to Monte Grona for unparalleled views of the lake and the Alps. And don't forget to try local dishes like pizzoccheri, a hearty buckwheat pasta, or misoltoni, sun-dried fish caught right here in the lake. From its rich history and heritage to its stunning landscapes and luxurious appeal, Lake Como truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're here to explore its charming towns, indulge in luxury, or simply soak in the beauty of nature, it's an experience you'll treasure forever. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite part of Lake Como in the comments below. Arrivederci, and see you in the next adventure.